Well, this week on Dateline School is learning what the St. Clair County Technical Education Center is doing to kind of cope with the COVID-19 pandemic and the second shutdown that high schools have been facing, as we're talking with Tech Director Pat Yanik. And Pat, usually once the holidays hit, the planning goes into preparing for your annual open house, which you usually have in February. Any thoughts on what you guys are going to do for that this year?
So we have not had a lot of discussion about that. Obviously, we're not going to be doing anything face-to-face. That probably wouldn't be possible this year. We've discussed the possibility of doing something virtual. We've had a meeting at the state with the state directors to just brainstorm what everyone's going to do for recruiting. A lot of really interesting ideas with utilizing our current students. As you know, we've got a great digital media team here at RESA that supports us with video content. Maybe we'll put together some videos that would support the programs. Certainly want to get out in front of kids that are in 10th grade, give them the opportunity to see what tech is like. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to do tech shadows, which allow a 10th grade student to come into the building and be here for an hour. Maybe if we can get into, April and May and we can turn a corner on COVID, maybe we can allow students back in the building for that. It would be great. We really like students to be able to visit a program before they make that final decision and sign up for tech.
My guess is too, parents can always call, talk to your counselors. You got a great counseling staff or advising staff. Students and parents can probably do that too, right?
Sure. They can call if they go to sctec.org, stclairtech.org, our website. They can watch a video on any program. There's the full tech video, and then there's individual program videos where they can hear testimonials from students that are in the building, which is probably the best way. Word of mouth advertising is still our best advertising for tech.
Great. Well, here's to a good Happy New Year. Hope 21 is much better than 2020, Pat.
I can almost guarantee it, Terry.
Yeah. For Dateline Schools, I'm Terry Harrington. Dateline Schools is a production of St. Clair County RESA.